Best beginner motorcycle Suzuki SV650. Selecting the ideal motorcycle as a beginner is a pivotal decision that can profoundly influence your riding experience. Among the myriad of choices available, the Suzuki SV650 stands out as a top contender. In this article, we'll delve into the reasons why the Suzuki SV650 is considered one of the best motorcycles for beginners, exploring its features, performance, safety aspects, and the enjoyable riding experience it offers to riders of all levels. A glimpse into Suzuki's legacy. Suzuki, a renowned Japanese motorcycle manufacturer, boasts a rich history of producing exceptional motorcycles. With decades of experience, Suzuki has consistently delivered innovative and reliable machines. The birth of the Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 made its debut in 1999 and has since been a favorite among riders, both beginners and experienced. It was designed to offer a perfect balance of power, versatility, and accessibility. The ideal engine for beginners. The heart of the SV650 is a 645cc V-twin engine that delivers a manageable 75 horsepower. This power-to-weight ratio strikes a perfect balance, allowing beginners to gain confidence while providing enough power to satisfy more experienced riders. Lightweight and nimble. Weighing around 430 pounds, 195 kilograms, fully fueled, the SV650 is relatively light and agile. Its compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver, making it an excellent choice for navigating through city streets or handling twisty roads. Linear power delivery. The SV650's engine provides smooth and predictable power delivery, making it forgiving for novice riders. Its V-twin configuration offers ample low-end torque, ideal for low-speed maneuvering and comfortable highway cruising. Advanced safety features. Many SV650 models come equipped with modern safety features, such as ABS, anti-lock braking system. These features enhance braking performance and control, particularly in adverse road conditions or emergency situations. Versatile styling and ergonomics. The SV650 boasts a versatile and neutral riding position. Its comfortable ergonomics allow riders to stay relaxed during long rides while still providing the sporty feel many enthusiasts crave. Stylish design. The SV650 features a timeless, sporty design that appeals to a broad range of riders. Its sleek lines and sharp features give it a modern and appealing look. Commuter-friendly. The SV650 excels as a commuter motorcycle. Its upright riding position, comfortable seat, and efficient fuel consumption make it an excellent choice for daily rides and urban commuting. A thrill for experienced riders. While it's an ideal beginner bike, the SV650 can still provide an exciting ride for more experienced motorcyclists. Its power and handling characteristics make it an excellent choice for riders looking to sharpen their skills. Resale value. Suzuki motorcycles, including the SV650, tend to retain their value well. This means that when the time comes to upgrade, you can expect a reasonable return on your investment. Conclusion. The Suzuki SV650 is more than just a beginner motorcycle, it's a gateway to the exhilarating world of motorcycling. Its blend of manageable power, lightweight agility, advanced safety features, and versatile design makes it an exceptional choice for riders at all levels. Whether you're just starting your riding journey or seeking a reliable and enjoyable ride as an experienced motorcyclist, the SV650 offers something special. Suzuki's commitment to quality, performance, and rider satisfaction shines through in the SV650, making it a standout option in the world of motorcycles. Riding the SV650 isn't just about transportation, it's an invitation to experience the joy of motorcycling in a safe and controlled manner. With this versatile and approachable machine, Suzuki has created a gem that truly appeals to riders of all levels and preferences.